Tell me, say 3, 2, 1, action.
3, 2, 1, action.
All right. Hey guys, what's going on? It's T-Carp. If you didn't know, I am a huge Lego fan. Always have been, played with them since I was 7, 8 years old. And I'm a huge Lego Star Wars fan. So if you haven't already seen, check out my Razor Crest build. I'll link to it in the video. Awesome little build. But I don't have $150 to spend every day. So we're going to build this one from Target. It is the 7528. It's the 501st Legion Clone Troopers, which is going to be pretty bad A in my opinion. This one has a jetpack. You know, it's going to be definitely, you know, it comes with 4 clone troopers, 2 battle droids, and this really cool, like, looks like it's a speeder bike, and looks like a walker. I don't know, we're going to play around and we'll see how this is. I think it was $23, so less than 30 bucks. We're going to build this together. Stay with me, guys.